In a controversial statement during a hearing, Karnataka High Court Judge Justice V. Shishananda referred to a Muslim majority area of Bengaluru as Pakistan. His remarks have since gone viral on social media. The incident took place on August 28th during the hearing of a landlord tenant case. The discussion initially revolved around provisions of the Rent Control Act and later transitioned into traffic issues and driver's insurance. While discussing the importance of traffic regulations, Justice Srishananda highlighted how traffic lanes are enforced in foreign countries. He pointed out that vehicles traveling below speed limits are asked to move to slower lanes to prevent accidents. He emphasized the need for better lane discipline in India, citing that slow moving vehicles in high speed lanes could lead to collisions. Justice Shishananda also commented on the lack of enforcement against traffic violations in Bengaluru, especially near private schools. He mentioned that despite accidents involving school children, there has been little action taken. He observed that many auto rickshaws carry up to 10 passengers, far exceeding safe limits. It was during this context that Justice Shishananda referred to the area near the Mysore Road flyover, specifically Goripalya, as Pakistan. He said, quote unquote, the Mysore Road flyover from the market to Goripalya is in Pakistan, not in India. He further remarked that no matter how strict an officer is sent there, they would face resistance. A video clip of the judge making these comments has since gone viral on social media. The remarks have drawn attention and reactions, though there has been no official statement from the Karnataka High Court on the matter. The incident raises concerns about the judicial remarks made in public hearings, especially regarding sensitive topics such as community references. Further reactions from legal bodies or the government are yet to be seen.